To create a Gmail account, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Gmail website, https://www.gmail.com/ and click on the Create Account button. 2. Enter your first and last name in the respective fields. 3. Choose a username for your Gmail account. This will be the email address that you will use to sign into your account. If the username you want is already taken, you'll need to choose a different one. 4. Create a strong password and enter it in the Create a Password field. Your password should be at least 8 characters long and contain a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. 5. Click on the Next button. 6. Enter your phone number in the Phone Number field. Google will use this number to verify your account. 7. Click on the Next button. 8. Enter the verification code that Google sends to your phone number in the Verify Your Phone field. 9. Click on the Next button. 10. On the next page, you can add additional information like your birthday and gender. This information is optional. 11. Click on the Next button. 12. Read and accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. 13. Click on the Create Account button. Once you've created your Gmail account, you can use it to send and receive emails, store files in Google Drive, and access other Google services like Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Calendar. Gmail also offers features like spam protection, customizable themes, and easy organization of your emails with labels and filters. Additionally, you can use your Gmail account to sign in to other websites and services that support Google Sign-In. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Have a nice time.